One of the most important things that we do with our Mac is check our email. I'm sure you all know how to do that, but let's go back through it just from the beginning and open Mail. And any accounts that we have listed in Mail are going to show up here. And as many of you know, you can add different mailboxes. So if you want to organize your mail, as you can see, I have mine fairly well organized for the kinds of business that I use it for. But you may want to organize yours differently, and you may want to be able to get rid of junk mail, that kind of thing. So if you want to add a mailbox, you simply go to Mailbox, excuse me, and New Mailbox. If you have up here, you'll see On My Mac. That's a good place that I can add it, and I can put any name that I want to into this box, and it would add it to the mail over here on this side of the mailbox, so I could know that that's mail in regard to that one topic. But we need to be able to start somewhere. So if we don't have an account or we want to get a new account onto our into our mail, that's relatively simple to do. So let's walk through that. We're going to go to Mail. We're going to go to Add Account. Now we have a number of different types of accounts that we could have. iCloud accounts, which is basically the same as your Apple ID account. There's Exchange accounts, there's Google accounts, Yahoo accounts, AOL accounts, and the big catch here, all other accounts. You would use the one that you want to start. For example, if you want to start a Yahoo one, you would click here. If you want to start Google, you would click here. Today we're going to add a Hotmail account, so we'll click here where it just says Other Mail Account, and then we'll click Continue. So let's say that I have an account called Have a Mac at hotmail.com, and I would put in my password that I have for that account, and I would click Sign In. And then if I want mail and notes to accompany that, I would simply click Done. Okay, now I have a Hotmail account, and I can see that I already have a message from the Microsoft Outlook people who run Hotmail. And they're simply welcoming me to my new account and telling me all of the benefits of that new account. So suppose later I decided I really didn't need that account to show up here on my computer. I really don't want it. So let's go here to Back to Mail. Let's go to Accounts. And I'll find that Hotmail account right here. And there's a little minus sign down here. I just simply would hit that minus sign. It's going to say you want to make sure you're going to delete that Have a Mac at Hotmail account. Yes, I do. Okay. And it's gone. And you can see it no longer appears here in your email boxes. So that's how easy it is to add or delete a new email account and receive it right on your Mac. Hopefully that helps.